In the not-so-distant future, the people of Earth were blossoming under the sun of advanced technology. With inventions that allowed them to accomplish their desires with the flick of a finger, the Earth seemed like a magical place. The cities were bright, buzzing with vehicles that soared through the skies. However, amidst this serene world, one day, humans looked up to see darkness spilling across the skies. Enormous alien ships hovered ominously, casting shadows on the once sparkling blue planet. These were the dreaded Void Reapers, a mysterious race from the depths of the universe. Inside the mighty flagship known as the Guardian, Captain Orion watched the chaos unfold. He was a formidable figure with a suit that shimmered with the latest armor tech and eyes that burned with the fire of determination. The Earth Defense Alliance had selected Orion for his strategic brilliance. Joining Captain Orion was a diverse team: Lieutenant Mira, a cunning pilot with reflexes as sharp as a shark's; Dr. Elias, a scientist whose curiosity outshone the stars; Pixel, the dedicated hacker who could go virtually anywhere in the digital realm. Their mission was clear: to confront the invaders. However, the task was anything but simple. With each skirmish, the Void Reapers grew more ferocious, their eyes consumed with the hunger to conquer. One day, during a precarious mission in the asteroid belt, Orion stumbled upon clues that none could have guessed. It was inside a secret chamber on one of the Void Reapers' warships that he discovered horrifying murals. These murals showed the Void Reapers fleeing from massive, swirling cosmic storms, chased by shadows far scarier than themselves. Orion was faced with a difficult decision. Should he continue to battle this powerful enemy, or take the chance to reach out and form an alliance with them to face the greater shadow threatening to consume them all? Resolutely, Orion made his choice. On board the Guardian, he opened a channel to communicate with the alien leaders. Orion offered a hand of uneasy peace, while his allies held their breaths, and doubts filled the air like static. Orion and the Void Reapers came to a fragile understanding. Only by working together could they hope to save not just Earth, but the whole galaxy from the impending doom. And so, in this race against time, Captain Orion and his crew joined forces with the mysterious beings they once called enemies, embarking on a journey across the stars to protect their beloved worlds from the unknown terror looming beyond the horizon. Together, they forged a new story that twinkled like a star in the night, a tale of unity, courage, and hope that would be told for generations to come.